Hey guys, how's it going? It's really bright out here, so if you see my eyes squinting, I'm not like super Asian, but like if you see my eyes squinting, it's because it's just way too bright outside. I refuse to wear glasses because I am going to be working under my car today. I am running a Spec catback exhaust system with a Megan Racing unresonated mid-pipe. Today I am going to be unbolting my rear mufflers, both of my mufflers, and just turn on the car from the mid-pipe to see what the car sounds like without the mufflers on. It's gonna sound ricey as fuck, but I'm doing it for the channel. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be unbolting this hanger and that hanger and let the car run from this Y pipe right here. Okay guys, so I unbolted the rear mufflers, both sides, and now I'm gonna start the car up. So guys, that is what my car sounds like without the mufflers. I unbolted the mufflers and left them hanging, so I drove around up and down my block to see what it would sound like. I had Alex film for me, so shout out to him. But the car sounds ricey as hell. It sounds so farty. Freaking loud without the mufflers. Oh my god, it was just way too loud. And there was a cop sitting at the end of my block. I saw him and I was like, oh shit. I put my car neutral and just let it roll. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like the sound. Dislike it if you didn't like it. And now I gotta rebolt my hangers. Peace out and stay golden.